Good morning. Aaron and I are here to bring you another Magnesium Minute. And here we're going to talk about a unique application, magnesium charger housings.
And why magnesium is important for a charger housing, specifically for this model. With the excellent heat dissipation that magnesium provides, we were able to enable 240 volt charging, which is what's needed for EVs.
And we executed all their other design requirements through tight draft angles and thin wall stock sections that are enabled by our casting process.
Very intricate design. We also enabled self-threading fasteners on this model. What that does is it drives total package costs down. Less pieces.
Less machining.
That's right. Remember guys, lightweight is great.
On the Magnesium Minute.